Hello guys, welcome to the online lectures. This is chapter number 4 and this is on your book. If you see the book, it's page number 54. I had taken these lessons in the regular classes as well, and so who had taken this, so this is a review for them. This is the logic gates, and what we in this chapter we will discuss about that what are the logic gates and how can we use it, what are the shapes that are used for input and output. So let's get started. What is a logic gate? This is a very simple definition. The logic gates are basic foundation of logic circuits. Logical circuits controls flow of electronic current. As we all know that the electronic current, what it is a positive charge and a negative charge. As well as we also know that computers understands only the binary language, that is ones and zeros. In the previous chapters, if you go to the chapter number 1, we had practice about the conversion of the binary into the hexadecimal and into the denary numbers, and the conversion of denary and hexadecimal into the binary, because we all know that the computer only can process ones and zero, that is called a binary language. So computer understand the binary language 1 and 0. When computer receive a high voltage, computers takes and assumes that this is a 1, and when computer receives a low voltage, it assumes at 0. So whenever in the processor, whenever there's high voltage, it is a low voltage. Whenever it gets it, it is converted into ones and zeros. This is actually the whole theme is about. So this is the types of the logic gates which we are using to make the logical circuits. What is a logic? Logic is actually the set of rules that we are getting some giving inputs and getting the outputs, and these are the shapes which are used in the logical circuits. Every gate have a specific purpose. Sometimes we see that whenever we give high voltage as input and we were getting a low voltage as output, sometimes we assume that whenever we give high voltages and low voltages, so what will be the output? This is all about it. You can see the logical circuits everywhere. Like if you want to build a computer system, or if you want to build an electronic device that contains the current, so you can know that what will be the high voltage and when we are going to low voltage. Simple is that you are using the charger of a mobile phone or your laptop. So in the sockets you are getting 230 voltage, but at the end when you are giving a cable, a simple cable that is used, if you see in your home, that this is actually a cable whenever you plug in, and this gives a 5 voltage. So how it is converted? Actually the logical circuits, but the actual physical circuits are controlling the flow of current. So in this chapter this is all about. Thank you.